Hello, everyone. Welcome to Leo and Anna English.
Today, we have a very useful topic
Do you want to speak English confidently at the doctor?
because most people know I have a headache. But what about the other questions doctors ask?
That's exactly what we're going to practice today.
Leo, have you ever been to a doctor in English?
Yes, once in Canada, and it did not go well.
Oh no. What happened?
The doctor asks, "Do you have any allergies?" And I said, "No, I'm fine."
That sounds okay, though.
Anna, I am allergic to penicillin.
Leo.
I just panicked. The word allergies, I knew it. But in that moment, my brain said nothing.
I completely understand that feeling. Last year, I was sick in London. I had a terrible sore throat.
Oh, that's rough. What did you do?
I went to a walk-in clinic, alone, and the nurse asked, "How long have you had this?" I knew what she meant, but I said, "Since today?"
Today.
I know, I forgot to say days. She was kind about it, but I felt so embarrassed.
Well, today we're going to fix all of that. Let's start with the basics. When you arrive, they usually ask, "What brings you in today?"
That one confused me the first time.
Right? It sounds like they're asking about your car.
But it just means, "Why are you here?"
Exactly. So you can say, "I've been having a headache for 2 days," or "I have a pain in my chest," or "I feel very tired and I have a fever."
Simple and clear. Doctors appreciate that.
Now, here's a phrase a lot of people don't know. I've been having, not I have.
Oh, interesting. What's the difference?
I have a headache means right now. I've been having headaches means it keeps happening for 2 days, for a week. It started in the past.
So it shows it's not just today.
Exactly. And doctors want to know that.
Try using "I've been having" today, everyone.
Now, Anna, what about describing the pain?
This is hard. In Vietnamese, I just say "Dao."
Right. In English, pain has many types, and doctors ask you to describe it.
They might say, "Is it a sharp pain or a dull pain?"
Hey, dull pain. Let's explain that one. Because dull usually means boring, right?
Yes, but here, dull means something different. A dull pain is a low, constant ache, like a pressure. Not sharp, not stabbing.
And a sharp pain, that's a quick, strong pain, like when you touch something hot.
So if the doctor asks sharp or dull, don't panic. Just think about how it feels.
Right. And if you don't know the word, describe it. Say, "It feels like pressure," or "It comes and goes," or even, "It gets worse when I move."
Those are so useful, Leo.
Oh, and one more. It's a throbbing pain.
Throbbing, like a heartbeat?
Yes, it pulses. Da-dum, da-dum.
Okay, that's a great word to know.
So we have sharp, dull, throbbing, pressure. 4 types of pain. Remember those.
And one more phrase I find very useful. The pain comes and goes.
Oh yes, that's important. It means the pain is not there all the time,
Like you feel it for a few minutes, then it stops.
versus the pain is constant.
Constant means it never stops.
These 2 phrases help the doctor a lot.
Right, they change the diagnosis completely.
Okay, and there's one more question doctors ask. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
I always find this question stressful.
Why?
Because if I say 10, they think I'm dying. If I say 2, they think it's nothing.
Just be honest. Think about it for a second. 1 means very mild, almost no pain. 10 means the worst pain you've ever felt.
So a normal headache is maybe a 4 or 5.
Yes, and a very bad migraine might be an 8.
Okay, that's helpful. I'll remember that scale. Now, what about when the doctor examines you?
Yes. They might press somewhere and ask, "Does this hurt when I press here?"
And the answer is yes or a little or no.
Or, "Ouch!"
That also works.
Actually, ouch is perfectly understood. Doctors hear it all the time.
Okay, if you like this kind of practice, please like and follow Leo and Anna English.
It helps us know you want more real-life English. Now, let's talk about something important. The doctor will probably ask about your history.
Right. They ask things like, are you taking any medication? Do you have any allergies, unlike Leo?
Yes, learn from my mistake. Do you have any existing conditions?
That one sounds scary.
It just means, do you already have any health problems, like diabetes, high blood pressure, asthma?
So you can say, I have asthma, or I take medication for high blood pressure.
Or, I don't have any existing conditions.
Simple, clear. Doctors love clear answers. Okay, Leo, let's do a little role play.
Oh, I love this.
I'll be the doctor, you be the patient.
Great. I'm nervous already.
Okay. So, what brings you in today?
I've been having a stomach ache for 3 days.
Is it a sharp pain or a dull pain?
It's more like a dull pain. And sometimes it gets worse after I eat.
Are you taking any medication?
No, I'm not, but I tried some antacids.
Any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
Good job, Leo, you remembered.
I learned my lesson.
See, everyone, that conversation wasn't hard. You don't need perfect English at the doctor.
You need clear English.
And those phrases we practiced, they cover a lot.
Now, one more thing people forget. What to say if you don't understand.
Oh, this is so important.
Doctors sometimes use medical words, big words, fast words.
And you might not catch everything.
So it's completely okay to say, sorry, could you say that again? Or, could you speak more slowly, please?
Or my favorite, I'm sorry, what does that mean?
Doctors hear this all the time from everyone, not just from language learners.
Right, even native speakers ask, what does that mean? Medical English is different from everyday English.
So never be embarrassed to ask. Another useful one, could you write that down?
Oh, that's smart, especially for medicine names.
Yes, if the doctor prescribes something, you can say, could you write the name down for me?
Then you can look it up later, or show it to a pharmacist.
A pharmacist, that's the person at the pharmacy, the place where you get your medicine.
Right, and at the pharmacy, they might ask, do you have any allergies to medicine?
There it is again, the allergy question.
Leo's nemesis.
I will never forget it again.
Okay, let's talk about one more situation. What if the pain is serious? What if you need to go to the emergency room?
Emergency situations. These are the phrases you really need to know.
I need help. I have a severe pain in my chest.
I can't breathe properly.
I feel dizzy and I might faint.
I had an accident and I'm bleeding.
These are clear, direct, and easy to say.
In an emergency, don't worry about being polite. Just say what's happening, fast and clear.
The staff will understand.
Okay, I want to share one small thought here.
Go for it.
Learning English for the doctor is not just about language, it's about taking care of yourself.
That's really true.
If you can explain what you feel, you get better help, better treatment.
It's one of the most important real-life skills,
And you don't need to be fluent, you just need the right phrases.
which we practiced today.
Exactly. Let's do a quick review.
What brings you in today?
Answer. Tell the doctor your main problem.
How long have you had this?
Answer. I've been having this for 2 days.
Is it sharp or dull?
Answer. Think about how it feels and describe it.
Any allergies? Any medication?
Answer. Yes or no and be specific.
Do you have any existing conditions?
Answer. Mention any health problems you already have.
And if you don't understand,
Ask them to repeat. Ask them to slow down. Ask them to write it down, always.
you are not being rude, you are being responsible. Leo, I want to share one more small story.
Of course.
The last time I saw a doctor in English, it was much better than London.
What changed?
I wrote down my symptoms before I went.
Oh, that's such a good idea.
On my phone, in English. Sore throat for 4 days, mild fever, no cough.
Simple, clear, ready to say.
The doctor looked at my notes and said, "That's very helpful, thank you."
See, preparation makes a huge difference.
You don't need to speak perfectly, you need to communicate clearly.
Write your symptoms down before you go. Use simple words, short sentences.
And bring a translation app just in case.
There is no shame in that. I really hope this episode helps you feel more confident at the doctor.
Because your health is worth speaking up for.
If this was useful to you today, please like and follow Leo and Anna English. We make real-life English for real situations.
See you in the next episode. Take care of yourselves.
And remember, I've been having sounds much better than pointing at yourself and saying, bad here.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.